Hi, I'm Dan with the Dougherty Art Center, and I'm here to offer a tip or two about Photoshop. When altering a photo or working on a piece of digital art, there are times when hiding parts of a layer or using an overlay can be a good way to achieve an effect without causing any loss in pixels. To manage these tricks, we need to use masks. Yes, I went there and am doing this. Masks are additional components to a layer that can enable you to do a variety of things with the layer. They come in a variety of forms and have different uses. We will start with a layer mask, which, much like a real mask, covers up some parts while revealing others. In this document, I have two layers, but the top layer is completely covering the bottom one, so I need to mask out the parts I don't want to see. So I make sure to have the right layer selected, and I hit this button in the layer panel. Boom, I have a mask attached to my layer. Now what? I hear you say. Don't ask me how, I just heard you, okay? Now we select the mask, not the image of the layer. You can see little brackets to indicate what is selected. And now we can draw on the mask. Layer masks work in pure value, black to white and shades of gray. Using black as my foreground color, I'm going to paint over the parts I don't want to see. Ooh, see? Or rather, don't see? And if we look at our mini version of the mask, we can see the part that I painted black is the part that is covered up. So in a layer mask, black conceals and white reveals. And if you go too crazy with the black, just switch to white and it will be revealed once again. But the best part of these masks is that they are transferable. Just click and drag to another layer. They are deletable. Just drag it into the little trash can. And best of all, they do no harm to your pixels. Now, another type of mask is a clipping mask. Clipping masks kind of work like a reverse cookie cutter. Instead of putting the shape over the dough, you put the dough over the shape. For instance, if I want to clip this pattern to this shape, I place the pattern above the shape, right-click the pattern, and select Make Clipping Mask. Shazam! It's just that easy. There are many ways to use such a handy tool. You can use it to apply effects or art to certain objects, limit where you color or paint, or cut your cookie dough, I guess. This has been an overview of masks. It's hard to breathe in this thing. And now my glasses are fogged up. Thank you for watching. You can find more from the Dougherty Art Center on this page.